Hey everyone, it's Redneck Ann here, Miss Ann here. So I'm at Rainforest Cafe. I'm on vacation. I can tell I've lost weight. I'm like skinny mini. I'm skinny mini, and I'm wearing I'm wearing crop top sets. Crop top sets on vacation because I'm skinny. I'm skinny like a scarecrow and tall. Oh my God, Build-A-Bear Workshop Childhood. Build-A-Bear. There's a Build-A-Bear over here, Build-A-Bear. So like that, in my childhood, I would get, like when I was like little, I would get Build-A-Bear when I was little in Shreveport. I'm just looking around, I'm at Rainforest, Build-A-Bear, I'm looking at Build-A-Bear Workshop. I'm like, this reminds me of childhood. This reminds me of childhood. Like, I'm in my 20s, early 20s, dressed like the 2019 nostalgia. 2019's nostalgia. Very nostalgic. Gift shop. Looking at the gift shop. Looking at the gift shop. There's I'm looking at building. And those cups are nice, Rainforest Cafe. Those cups are nice. Those mini cups, because I would be taking shots in December, because I'll be 21. My 21st birthday, I'll be taking shots in those mini red Solo cups. Those mini red Solo cups, mini. Yeah. So I'm at Rainforest Cafe. I'm on Vcay in Galveston for spring break 2025. Spring 2025. So I'm by the elephant. I'm by the elephant. Yes, I'm on vacation.
You want combo?
So I'm at Rainforest Cafe. I can tell my shorts look like I have on underwear because there goes. I'm on vacation. Yeah, I like Rainforest. I'm already dressed. I wear camouflage, which reminds me of 2019 nostalgia. The late 2010 nostalgia.
Did not tell me that was behind me. Get behind Missy. No, Missy. Staring at me. I have Snapchat just ridiculous. I don't like that. Log out. I don't like staring at me. I have to go to bed.
I'm at Rainforest Cafe.
There we go. Many people have messaged me. Is that mine?
So I got. Me a cherry icy.
How many messages?
Cherry icy, chairs. I got it, cherry icy.
I hadn't either.
I like Rainforest Cafe. The elephant is already. Alright, I got today's dinner at Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, love Rainforest Cafe. How about Vcay? I can tell about Vcay. I got.
I'm just saying.
I won't shut up. So I got. Shut up, Mom. I'm trying to eat and vlog. Shut up.
Just do your vlog. We're not talking.
Do not open your mouth. I'm so sorry about this. My mom chooses to act like a sensitive 12-year-old. I'm so sorry about my mom. She chooses to act childish. It's 42 years old and still acting childish. And my dad acts more mature than my mom. And it's 44 years old. Never acts like a child. Acts childish. That's just it's because I'm not having high self-esteem. Chooses to act childish. I'm having to deal with the childish mom. That's what it is. Got a cheese curd.
No.
Cheers. Shut your mouth. Oh my god, I got a cheese pull. So I got some chicken. Got some chicken strips, dipping in honey mustard. Cheers. My aunt just bullied me. I'm so sorry about this. My aunt just bullied me. She tried to knock down my phone while I was vlogging. She just bullied me. So I'm having to duct tape my mom's mouth. Sorry. Every time I vlog, I need to duct tape my mom's mouth. I need to put some duct tape on my mom's mouth. That's just a metaphor to keep her mouth shut. My childish mom who has a runny mouth. The reason why I have a childish mom is because my mom acts childish at 42 because of not having high self-esteem. Like, she acts very sensitive and starts drama. So I got some spinach dip. I got some chips and spinach dip. Oh, excuse me, my voice. I'm so sorry about this. My mom will not shut her mouth. She chooses to act like a teenager.
Okay.
42 years old and acting like a teenager. That's ridiculous. For my mom to be acting this way. And my mom chooses to act like a teenager at 42. She needs to act mature for once. And my Aunt Missy is very childish. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting a job at Bath & Body Works. Like when I get my idea, thinking about getting a job at Bath & Body Works in Lufkin, at the Lufkin Mall, Bath & Body Works. Got an egg roll. Cheers. Oh my god. Oh my god, I like the sparkler cake. Oh my god, I like this lava cake. I like it. Oh my god, I like this lava cake.
It would have been 85. It would have been 85. It's like 60.
So I got this lava cake.
That's a brownie. That's a brownie cake.
I'm so sorry about being drunk. Oops, I'm drunk.
And it's a chocolate cake. It's